Hi everyone, I'm Matty, and this video is for those that are thinking about or starting their driving lessons soon and have decided to learn to drive a vehicle with a manual transmission. A vehicle with a manual transmission has 3 pedals, a clutch on the left, a brake in the middle and a gas pedal on the right. So it's in CBA from left to right. During your introduction to learn to drive, your driving instructor will explain how to use the clutch and gearbox in their tuition vehicle, and they may mention a term we use called the biting point. The biting point is simply when the vehicle is in first gear and the clutch is being brought up enough to where the vehicle is ready to move. The biting point will be different from vehicle to vehicle. Some may be low, some midway, and others quite high. There are a few ways to find the biting point on a vehicle. Number 1, when bringing the clutch up gradually, the rev counter may move slightly either up or down depending on how modern the vehicle is. Number 2, the engine noise may change as you bring the clutch up to the biting point. You'll notice the front will raise and the rear will drop slightly as well. That's another way to find out. And number 3, using the centre mirror or the interior mirror as a guide, when you're bringing the clutch up gradually, you'll notice that the demisting lines across the rear window will be dipping slightly as the front end starts to lift once you reach your biting point. For those that are learning in either diesel or petrol, you may also notice a difference when using the clutch there also. Diesel vehicles are a little easier to learn to drive in, as you can just find the biting point, and then as you can bring the clutch up, it'll start to move on just the clutch, and then you add in the gas later. A petrol vehicle, once you find a bite, will need a little bit of gas added in to help it move away from the park position, which is not ideal if you're on a hill, and then they tend to stall a little bit more. I hope you found this video on clutch control useful, and I wish you the best of luck with your driving lessons and passing your driving test. Best of luck. Bye.